How's it going, guys? Red here with Red Knows How, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get back a damaged or destroyed vehicle in GTA 5 online. So or just basically in a normal game as well in story mode, but it's very simple actually. So basically what you are going to want to do is you will use your phone to contact so let's just start here. So you'll open up your phone, you'll go to your contacts. All right, you will go all the way down towards the bottom, and you will go down to where it says Morris Mutual Insurance. Click on that, and you will wait for them to answer. And see, it will cost, but you can claim. Claim all vehicles destroyed. You can click up here and decide which one you would like, or you can just claim all. I'll just go ahead and claim all. You'll click on the one that you want, and they will go ahead and repair those and take those back to your garage. So I hope that was helpful. If it was, I hope I earned your like and your subscription. But just remember, if you don't know how, Red knows how.